Hello everyone. In the following video, I will show you the latest and greatest way to move data from a local source to SharePoint Online. First, go to the SharePoint Admin Center. You can find this in the Microsoft 365 Admin Center under Admin Centers. If it is not displayed there, you can simply click on All Admin Centers and it should appear. Now, in the SharePoint Admin Center, we navigate to the migration page. Here, we are interested in the Migration Manager for File Shares. We click on Get Started. On the new page, we receive the link for the agent. We install this on a device that has access to the data to be migrated. The setup is very simple. First, we start the downloaded file and install it. Then you have to log in with an account of your tenant. You can choose the same login with which you are logged in to the SharePoint Admin Center. Finally, you need to specify the file path to be migrated. Back in the SharePoint Admin Center, we can now start a scan. There, we also enter the same path and select the option that all folders below are individual source paths. With the automatic content scan, the client can point out possible problems in advance. The scanned folders are now listed and scanned down here. I quickly create a SharePoint repository for the data. And that's it. Now, back to the migration. There are already some messages from the scan. For reasons of order and clarity, I delete these two unneeded paths. In this folder, the migration wizard reports that the files are empty. Yes, that's right. The files there are empty. They are only for testing. Under the Migrations tab, we could create new migration jobs with Add Task. However, it is easier to use scans that have already been created. We will do that in a moment. But before we do that, let's change the global settings for the migrations under Global Settings. Global settings can be made here under All Settings. In our migration, we do not want to migrate any hidden files, and invalid characters should be automatically replaced by an underscore. We also deactivate the Microsoft Entra ID lookup here. Now we create the migration job from the scan. We select a path and choose the option Copy to Migrations. Here we specify the desired destination, in our case SharePoint. Now we specify the storage location in SharePoint with the link. we give the migration a name and start it with our global settings. The created job can now be seen under Migrations. After a while, the migrated documents can be seen in the repository. Now we create another migration, but this one should go to a subfolder. Back to the scans, we choose another folder. We can now select the created subfolder on the SharePoint page. One more check in the SharePoint, and yes, the data is there. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please leave a like or a comment. If you hit the subscribe button, I would be very happy and grateful. Bye.